right, special thanks to the folks at UNBREAKcable who sent me their new bicycle or motorcycle phone mount. So nothing really around the box here, just UNBREAKcable there, and born for challenges, built to last. So let's cut our little piece of tape here and get into the back here. What all do we have? Cardboard. So here's the part that actually clips on to the bike, so you can just unscrew this, probably take a moment, and then you're able to put that around the bike and then bring this down and screw it up. Makes sense. Then that's it for the box. Got a whole nice little user's guide here with all the information you should need to install this. So I ain't even got to show you an installation. This definitely has all of it. What I can show you though is this will fit, I mean, look at that, like any size phone. This is a Pixel 6 Pro going right in, no problem. Means your iPhone 12 Pro Max will fit, your iPhone 12 Pro will fit, your iPhone 12 will fit, your Galaxy Notes should fit. It's even got a little lock here, very nice. To put this on, you have to unscrew this and then put that there, and then this part pops right on, and then you tighten this half, like so. And then, like I said, you find your spot, you get it tight, it won't move, and you find your spot with this, get it on your handlebar, and once it's on your handlebar, then this is holding your phone. And then what's cool is this lock here keeps it from going any higher. So with this unlocked, it releases. I can push it up more, see? So when this is locked, I can't pull it up anymore. So now I don't have to worry about my phone falling off and getting broke. So if you're driving a motorcycle, I would feel pretty secure with this. If you were to tighten this all the way, make sure it's good and tight, and then you get this around your bar and you get this all the way tight, I do not see this falling off your bicycle, even at high rates of speed. And of course, even when you put your phone on here, you can lock it into place with this. And then when you get to your destination, a simple flip up and boom, your phone's right out and nice and safe. So I definitely love the design of this and truly would recommend this for a bicycle or for a motorcycle. So even down here, motorcycle mobile phone holder, it's definitely gonna hold it in there. I mean, you can see those little metal teeth that this thing is locking into. See, not gonna go anywhere. Very nice design. 2 big thumbs up to the folks over at UNBREAKcable. So there we go, that'll do it for the UNBREAKcable bicycle phone mount. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.